Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for May and it is Glossybox. We've got a special design box this month. It's gorgeous. And this is Let the Sun Shine edit. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, plus my thoughts, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Glossybox is a UK only beauty subscription box. There are other Glossyboxes out of the UK. What you're seeing in this video is only for the UK. The cost of the box is £10 and £3.25 shipping, and each box has a minimum value of £50. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription and you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside the box you'll find 5 beauty treats ranging from hair care, skincare, body care and nails, and also we have the odd freebie as well. The reason you're seeing this unboxing a little bit earlier is because this box is a PR box. I'm on Glossybox's PR list and they kindly send me the box for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. All links and everything related to this box, including a discount code which will entitle you to have 20% off your first box that Glossybox has given to me to share with you. You'll find that down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there, including any offers they've got running at the moment and any limited edition boxes, etc. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So inside we get a little booklet, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the cost, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value, and it gives you a sneak peek for next month's box. So for June we have got an energizing and illuminating vitamin C scrub fix from Nip and Fab. So in every June box we'll receive one of those. So for the theme this month, they say summer is most definitely on its way. In no time at all, the sun will be shining and everything, including us, will have a gorgeous golden glow. Our Let the Sun Shine Glossybox is bursting with makeup products as shimmering as the sun, as well as summery scents that will transport you to tropical lands far away. You're sure to feel truly radiant this month. I absolutely love the design of this box. It's so pretty. I love the mint and the lemon. It's so pretty. Now I have seen a sneak peek online because I posted it up on my Facebook page, so I do know what's inside, but I haven't had a look yet. So yeah, okay. First item in the box, and it is a lemon shower gel, and this is a Kueshi, I think that's how you say it, Kueshi Naturals revitalizing shower gel with lemon extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. And we've got 200 mils here. I really love shower gels. I really love them. I go through them like anything, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with lemons as well. What is this like? I hope it's not like a really fake lemon smell, you know, like washing up liquid lemon. It's a bubble. No, it's not. It's just like pure lemons. Like lemon sherbet sweet. Everything is always relates back to food with me. Oh, that is so nice. If you love lemons and you're a Glossybox subscriber, you will love this. Yeah, it's just like lemon sherbet sweet. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand though. Have you? Kueshi Naturals. Maybe it's a brand new one. I don't know. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £5.70. This natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day. With a revitalizing lemon and chamomile extracts, it carefully cleans the skin whilst respecting the skin's natural pH and leaving behind a refreshing scent. And it says here, top tip, pair with Kueshi's. I'm butchering it, I know I am. Lemon body milk for soft scented skin. Oh, when I was pregnant with my younger son, my last baby, I was obsessed with, and I was with my daughter actually, my second one, I was obsessed with citrus, and especially with my son, I wanted everything lemon. I wanted lemon deodorant, lemon shower gel, lemon shampoos. I just literally wanted to be drenched in lemons. And lemon Tesco value lollies as well, you know, ice lollies. Oh, they were the best. I still really love it and I get excited whenever I receive anything with lemons in it. Yeah, that's nice. I do like that. Next, we've got a liner. This is a Define liner by Ciate London. Smudge proof, inbuilt sharpener, always handy. And in shade, oh, another word I find hard to say. Yak. Yak. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not the shade. EAC. I don't know. Yak. Now, from what I've seen, I think there's only the one shade that we'll all be receiving. And it's not black. Hey! I've noticed in a couple of subscription boxes recently that, yeah, we're seeing more and more different shades of liners, which is brilliant. I love black eyeliner. It's a makeup kit staple, definitely. Black eyeliners are very, very popular in subscription boxes, so it is nice to see different shades. Can you see there? Let's try a little bit of my hand there. Oh, it's a gold eyeliner. There. Can you see? So it's very fine, very fine. I haven't got one like this, but I think that'd be quite nice actually to do like an inner corner highlight with a pencil there. I'll have a play around with it and see what that's like. But no, that's nice because I haven't got anything like that in my collection. Oh, it says here, top tip. For brighter eyes, use on the inner corners of your lids. Yes. The recommended retail price for this full-size liner is £18. Line and define your eyes with Ciate London's ultra-fine precision liner in a gorgeously golden shade, featuring a built-in sharpener. Oh, I never even noticed that. A built-in sharpener at its base. This liner will always have the perfect point, ensuring it's always sharp and ready to use. Oh, I see. A little tiny sharpener. Just put it in there. So we got an eyeliner by Ciate London. Next we got something else that looks absolutely gorgeous. This is by Minetan Body and Skin, and this is a replenishing rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. So it's a moisturising after sun gel, and we got 50 ml here. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Just imagine being on holiday, coming back, having a shower and plastering yourself in this. I don't tan. I'm a factor 50 all over, so I never tan from the sun. But obviously my skin gets warm. Nice and cooling. Look at this. Oh, yeah, I really like that. I really like that. I wonder how long that will last. We're due to go on holiday in October, if we can, to Greece. Don't know if we can yet. Booked it in 2019, we just keep on having to move it all the time. So yeah, so I was thinking something like this would be nice not to use now, because Wales, you know, it really gets above 20 degrees really. We're seeing that. No, I am just being pessimistic about Wales. I love Wales, don't get me wrong. But no, I'm just looking at the weather now. It's just grey and miserable. But no, we do get some nice weather. I'm just going to shut down and just carry on with the unboxing. This is a Deluxe Mini, and the recommended retail price for this is £13.35, or the full size 177ml will cost you £28.60. Save your skin from sunburn this summer with this rapid recovery after sun gel. For faster, more effective relief that revitalizes skin, this gel is enriched with powerful key ingredients. A natural anti-inflammatory, aloe vera soothes whilst providing a protective layer to the skin. Niacinamide helps retain hydration and reduces the appearance of sun damage and fine lines. Yeah, I do really like that, but I'm going to keep it for extremely hot days in Wales, or if we go to Greece in October. Next, we've got a product by Rodial, and these are Dragon Blood eye masks. Hydrate and tone, depuffing biocellulose eye masks, and obviously there's 2 in there. Now these usually come like in a box of 5, I think. Absolutely love this brand. The recommended retail price for this is £6. It doesn't mention anything about being in a pack, so maybe it's not. Maybe it's some of their other masks I'm thinking of. Brighten your eyes with these innovative gel eye masks, great for providing intense hydration to your delicate eye area thanks to hyaluronic acid, as well as providing an immediate depuffing and cooling effect as the result of dragon's blood from the Croton Lachleri tree. Your eyes will look instantly brighter and more alert. So we got eye masks. And then lastly, we've got a product from Lottie London, Golden Hour. It looks like there. It's a loose pigment. Ooh, look. Can you see? That is stunning, isn't it? That is gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. It feels buttery smooth. Look at that. It feels so, so, so nice. Oh, I love it. I obviously put loads. Look at that. That is so pretty. Honestly, they feel amazing. But I have got another one. I think it's copper, I'm not sure. I hope it's not the same one as this, because if it is, there's no point me keeping two, so I'm going to have to give one away. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £6.95. Pack on the power with Power Foil. This versatile, high coverage, metallic gold eyeshadow is designed to give you an intense foil finish in just one swipe. Looks stunning, both blended out and natural, and layered up to create a more glam, more glowy eye makeup look. Yeah, that's stunning. I really like that. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up and add them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. The cost of the box is £13.25 and the value of the products comes in just under £60, around £58. So we've got an After Sun Soothing Lotion, we've got a gorgeous lemon shower gel, we've got some cooling eye masks, we've got a light golden eye definer pen, and we've got a gorgeous metallic gold eyeshadow there. When I first saw the products in the spoiler, I was thinking, oh, you know, it's okay. It's not a blow me away box, but it's okay. But actually opening the box up now and actually seeing them, I do think it's a really nice box. I absolutely love the box design. I do think it is really pretty, but the theme behind this month's box, I think it fits it really well. Yeah, I really like it. So as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber to Glossybox? Are you looking forward to receiving your box? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.